Lapha yilapho umengameli ezobe enza khona izifungo zakhe zokhola lelizwe. Umbutho wezokuvikela uqalile ukwenza amalungiselelo okuqinisekisa ukuthi yonke into imi ngomumo.
All the arms of services of the National Defence Force, starting from the SA Army, the SA Air Force, the SA Navy, as well as the South African Military Health Service. We are all part of this occasion to make sure that all of us we are playing different roles. Our secondary task as the Defence Force to support the President in other ceremonial taskings.
Zizobe ziqine kakhulu ezokuphepha kanti kulomcimbi kuzobonakala nezindiza ezinophephela emhlane ezingaphezulu kwe10 ezizobe zisetshenziswa ukuhlonipha umengameli.
It's such an honor to be part of the inauguration flypast. As South African Air Force pilots, usually our job is to serve and train to defend the country, and it's always just such an honor and a privilege to be part of celebrating our democracy and not just serving it.
A lot of preparation and coordination actually goes into the flypast. The one is preparing the timing points and locating the correct run-in points and the initial points before you actually fly over the Union buildings. But on a personal level, it's just making sure that the mind is clear and the drills are really set in my mind.
Lo mcimbi kulindeleke ukuthi uhanjelwe nomengameli bakwamanye amazwe. Inhloko yamajaji uJustice Raymond Zondo uyena ozobe efungisa umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Amalungiselelo azophothulwa kusasa.